Covelo House is a renovation project that breathes new life into one of the typical houses in the urban islands of Porto, Portugal. Designed by spaceworkers, this project aims to revive the historical heritage of urban islands with a more modern and functional design approach. With an area of only 344 square feet, this house is a prime example of how thoughtful design can create a comfortable and efficient space despite size limitations. Urban islands are an essential part of Porto's history. Since the 19th century, these areas have developed as housing for workers who moved to the city in search of a livelihood. These small houses were built side by side on narrow plots that were originally the courtyards of bourgeois homes. With only a single door and window facing an access corridor, these houses became homes to many families, often in overcrowded and unhealthy conditions. In the 1970s, the Portuguese government initiated a relocation program to dismantle urban islands and move their residents to social housing complexes on the city's outskirts. However, some urban islands still remain today, serving as a historical memory of the city and presenting new challenges in redesigning livable spaces within them. This project emerged from the need to revitalize historic dwellings while preserving their original character. Covelo House is a compact home measuring 4 by 4 meters, divided into 2 floors. The design intervention creates a harmonious relationship between old and new elements while maintaining the essence of this urban island house. On the ground floor, the living room and kitchen are designed as a continuous open space. This area receives natural light from the front window and is defined by a striking design element, a contemporary staircase that starts from the kitchen countertop and ends in a black volume that provides access to the upper floor. This staircase is not only a functional feature, but also an aesthetic statement that gives the interior a unique identity. The upper floor serves as a private space, housing the bedroom and bathroom. To create a sense of spaciousness, the bathroom is concealed within a mirrored volume that reflects natural light from 2 windows, generating an illusion of a larger and brighter space. This design approach ensures that the limited space feels open without compromising functionality. The house retains its original stone walls, which have been painted white to enhance interior brightness. Contrast in color plays a key role in defining the house's unique identity. The white walls are combined with contemporary black elements, including the staircase volume and entrance door. From the exterior, this intervention is marked by the presence of a black volume that signifies the transformation of the dwelling, along with the distinct colors of the window shutters and door, setting it apart from neighboring homes. Beyond aesthetics, the choice of materials also considers comfort and durability. The white painted stone walls not only improve the visual appeal, but also aid in regulating the indoor temperature. The integration of modern materials such as glass, metal, and wood creates a balanced fusion of tradition and innovation. Covelo House is a prime example of how architecture can rejuvenate historical spaces without erasing their original identity. Through thoughtful design and a strategic use of contrasting colors and materials, this house successfully preserves the character of Porto's urban islands, while providing enhanced comfort and functionality for its residents. This project is more than just a renovation. It is a reinterpretation of history that remains relevant to contemporary needs. A modern interpretation of the past, preserving the city's heritage while bringing new life to this compact home. Thank you for watching this video on Block 7. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspirations. See you in the next video.